Josh from ABS-CBN News Online. Doc Sam here. Hello. Ano yung considerations mo? Bakit mo ginawang endorser your first celebrity endorser si Daniel?
Considerations actually, as long as tinatanggap niya rin yung partnership with Awesome Smile Dental Clinic, and of course, syempre ang ganda rin kasi yung personality again and the credibility of Daniel Matsunaga. Of course, bukod sa gwapo nga siya, yung ngipin niya. So, kaya isa din siya sa mga naging option and choice pala talaga nung clinic.
Daniel, what made you say yes?
Hey Josh, of course, Awesome Smile. You know, it's a very credible brand, no, and I'm very happy that they chose me between so many artists. No, there are so many artists out there. And I'm very blessed, no? I'm very blessed, Miss the whole family. Well, I'm just blessed, no? Blessed to be part of the family and very happy po. So all I can say is thank you, no? Thank you, and I'll do my best, no? For the brand, for us to grow together, no? And yeah, yun po.
And what's your birthday wish?
My birthday wish. Kaya pala, wish eh. Dapat secret eh. But my wish is health. No, health, not just me, the people around me, my family as well. And you know, I'm just very thankful. You know, I'm very thankful. God has been giving us so many blessings in my life, and I'm very thankful that Philippines is my home. You know, so my wish ko is sana also Awesome Smile grows and grows and grows, and we go even outside the Philippines.
Yes.
Diba? Why not? And also the app, no? So the app, we're just starting the app, and there are many big possibilities for the entire brand. So 2025 will be a better and better year.
And yung last question ko, any upcoming activities to promote the brand? Like, kasi si Doc Sam into advocacy siya eh. Ikaw ba may mga plano din gagawin ganun for the brand?
For the brand, I'll be joining them. Whatever the brand needs, and whatever I can do from my work, from whatever I do through showbiz or through business. Whatever I can do to support also the brand, I'll be doing it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.